Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a Dewalt Perform and Protect tool today. It is the telescoping dust extractor with hose from Dewalt. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, guys? How's it going? Alright, so I picked this guy up for $24.75. It was on clearance. This says it was 99 bucks. This attachment I've seen go as high as somewhere in the range of 150, 170 bucks, somewhere in there. Some of these attachments aren't cheap. It is a Perform and Protect tool. I grabbed it. I may not need it right this minute, so it may be a little bit of time before I use it, but 24 bucks, I wasn't going to leave it there. Lowe's had several of these. They had 4 or 5 of them. They also had this guy, which I showed in the previous video, which is the video right before this one. This one I also got for 24 bucks. I was not going to pass it up. This is a large hammer dust extractor kit. So this one is part number Delta 25301 Delta. This is a dust extractor telescope with hose for SDS rotary hammers. The box is a little pinched. Not a big deal. These, you find where they're connected on the straps, these 2 straps, and you can rip these apart. Like that. This one is right here. Sometimes they're a pain. I'm just going to cut this one. This one's being a pain. Okay. And this one I'm just going to cut as well. Just make it go a little faster on the video for you guys. This is not going to be a long video. Be a pretty quick video. 2017. 59, so this was made in 2017. So it's pretty old. It's 4 years old. The box is a little beaten up, but that is not a problem at all. I do also got some Metabo tools coming to the channel for you guys. Some more Metabo tools. Hammer drill, impact driver, the 36 volt models, as well as I'm going to be picking up the new 36 volt Metabo plunge router, which is 1/4 inch and it's 1/4 inch, and it is also 1/2 inch. So we got the box moved out the way. What it says on the back is it includes dust extractor, telescope, side handle, and hose. Tool weight, 1.4 pounds. A lot of these stickers are probably not going to come off. This is a store 2808, door number 512. I'm not sure if I can even get the information on the back of this. No, it's just going to rip it, so. Comes with your Delta 25301 Delta dust extractor telescope instruction booklet. It does have pictures of how you can set it up. This looks like a corded tool. I'm sure you can use this on a cordless tool as well. Perform and Protect. It's got your depth gauge. You can change the depth on this gauge right here. You can slide this forward. definitely nice. It's got one eyelet section on here for your drill bit. Here is the handle that will go on your rotary hammer. This looks like another band. And here's your hose. It's a nice little hose. It does have the collar for the quick connect adapters like this. Lock it. It's now locked on this guy, which that's a nice feature with all of these. This is, it looks like a very, very small hose though. Not sure what size this hose is. Let's see. This hose is the inner diameter of this hose is about 7/8. It's a little bit bigger than 7/8. So from the edge of this side to this side, it looks like it's a 1-inch. It's a little bit bigger than 1-inch. Looks like it's a 1 1/8. So it's slightly smaller than 1 1/4. No big deal. Will definitely come in handy. This looks like this is permanently attached. It's a very nice hose though. This would literally strap to the outside of your rotary hammer. I'm not going to go grab the rotary hammer I have. It's in the shed, or not in the shed, but it's in my closet. Don't want to deal with that right now. Can lock that onto there. So now it's locked on. So now the handle is a part of it. Let me grab this guy right here. I think this is to make the band a little smaller. If you guys know what this collar does, let me know. You know, this is a couple of new accessories to me. I just wasn't going to leave them there for the price. So this is built specifically for this adapter. So you just friction fit, slide that on, connect this side to your 1 1/4 inch hose, and you're good to go. This is now attached to vacuum. It's on your tool. Your tool goes, the collar of your tool goes in here. Your drill bit goes through this eyelet back here. I'm not sure if you can get extras for these eyelets right here. I know that my hammer vac attachment for my Milwaukee, it comes with like 4 or 5 of these eyelets, or 1 or 2. I don't remember exactly. It comes with a couple of those eyelets. I think it's 3 or 4 of those eyelets. But I'm sure you can get replacements for this. No big deal at all. If you want to take the handle off, you just pinch this little yellow tab. Handle comes off of here. And it also gives you an option for a depth gauge right here as well. So for 24 bucks, this is a nice little kit. I'm definitely not going to be, mad for spending 24 bucks on this kit. It's a very nice little kit. But that's all I got for you guys today. Let me put this over here. I'm not sure if it will fit in this case, which is the other attachment case. Probably not. Can always try. See if it will fit in this case. More than likely it won't. Whoa! I caught you guys. Guess you guys are going for a ride today. Oh, you could put the hose in there. I don't know if you could put anything else though. More than likely it's not going to fit in here, but the hose fits in there. I end up just throwing this in my bag with my SDS hammer. I have a dedicated bag for my SDS hammers, so I'll throw it in there, and definitely be putting it to a use when I got time to do a video on it. And oh, the hose. So when I got time to do a video on it, and this is a long hose. This is a very, very nice hose. I didn't realize how long it is. It's probably, let me put this on the ground and we'll measure it, or I'll measure it real quick. It's not stretched, but put it on the ground right here. And I'll measure this real quick. It's a little short. There. So this guy is 64.5 inches, and it's stretchy. So you could probably get about 8 feet out of this hose, which is pretty nice, because it's 5 feet 4 inches and half an inch. So you could probably actually get maybe 10-12 feet out of this hose when it's stretched, which is pretty nice. It's definitely nice. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the channel though, and the video. 24 bucks. If you see this and you have a rotary hammer for 24 bucks, I wouldn't pass it up. I definitely was not going to pass it up for the 24 bucks. But that's everything for today on this video. It was just a quick little video. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video, stopping by. Thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, all the people that watch, all the people that use the affiliate links. Helps out the channel. Channel did pay for this particular tool, as well as the tool in the previous video, which was the large hammer dust extractor. And you know, 24 bucks is not bad for these two. They're definitely nice tools. They will come in handy when I need them the most. I don't do a lot of rotary hammer work, but when I need it, and I don't want to kill my lungs taking in concrete dust and anything like that. I'm going to be using this more strictly for house use, projects at the house. But if I do get, you know, somebody that needs help, you know, a buddy of mine that needs help on remodeling or something like that, I'll definitely bring the tools with me. But as always, I wanted to say thank you so much to the viewers and the subscribers, non-subscribers. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, smoosh the bell notification icon. It's free. Click the like button. Hit the dislike button. Whatever you know, floats your guys' boat. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, hanging out with me today. And if you guys want to know any more information about this, let me know. I'll try to answer your questions the best I can in the comments. Thank you guys so much, and look forward to more tools coming to the channel soon. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!